Shut up! Shut up! Let him flow!
Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I don't give a fuck if my pants is moist. You gotta listen to my voice, cause when I spit it, you know you never will forget it. I'm the Dilly, old bitch, and you will regret it. When I spit, I'm coming with this shit. You motherfuckers don't know that I live with a pimp. Check it out. I ain't nothing, but check it out. I bust muffins like stuffing. Check it out, I'm stuffing turkeys like loving. Check it out, you motherfuckers eat gubbin'. Giving like governors. You motherfuckers is like Mitt Romney. Check it out, I'm gonna run your nominee. Check it out, I'm just gonna bleed Blamani. Check it out, fuck it, I hit you in the shit, and then I spit you in the dick with a duck-billed platypus. Check it out, I ride a puss, and then after that, I fuck her after this. Check it out, look, I'm the Dilly, and then I rack a bitch. I don't give a fuck, fuck it.
You said duck-billed platypus.
Switch up on
Where did that go?
Casey.
Where did platypus come from?
Switch up on you now, Casey.
Were you fucking SeaWorld and some shit?
Pretty sure you can't.
What is going on in here?
Hell, we can SeaWorld and platypus.
Hey, I'm gonna switch
You're a
up on
platypus.
I'm gonna switch up on some
I'm a duck-billed platypus.
Yeah, you must be a platypus. That's what I'm serious, man.
You can easily
Hey! That's what's up!
I ain't heard nobody call a platypus before. I'm serious right there.
I'm still living with your ghost.
T-shirts, got a dick, some McKinley's on this side, hurts you, it'll break a big ass, you like, on your face, something like something else,
Hey!
like toilet paper.
Yay!
I got a gun and take it back, step point the two back, and water packs modified, I guarantee she gonna die. If she don't, now I'm sure the death of this unlikely son, I'll double every bullet shot and place the ground right back. Place you need the sun, but you always on my mind. Since you fucking lose it, the body's so fine.
Hey!
Go.
Whoop whoop! Your turn! Somebody's turn! Take over!
I guess it's my turn.
Oh shit, it's your birthday! Oh no, it isn't! It's somebody's birthday!
Sean Gunn.
Ready?
I'm a lyrical wonder. The rap's like different to the extreme. I'm a perfect dream of the ladies. Check it out, baby.